Hey, in this lesson, we will get to know a real game that will teach us the basics of programming. We set our environment, so we are ready to dive into programming now. Be careful, this game can be highly addictive, so it can happen that you won't be able to stop. But the cool thing is that the more you play, the more you learn how to program. So let's check it out. Let's type www.codecombat.com. Okay, now we will create an account, but in order to do so, let's first check how exactly goes our email. So esova.ana123. Okay, perfect. So here, create account, esova ana123@gmail.com. Let's set a password. Again, the same as on the email. This is Esova. Our name will be Esova Ana. And our school, I will just leave it out. And let's do here it asks us if we want to receive the email from CodeCombat, rather not. So let's sign up. Ta-da! Do we want Google Chrome to save our password? Yes, please save our password. One more thing before we start, let's also bookmark CodeCombat. I don't know where exactly to put it, so because we will be playing it a lot, I will just drag and drop it directly into our bookmark bar. So CodeCombat, we can rename it to make it shorter. So right click with the mouse, edit, and let's just say CodeCombat. Save. Perfect. So we have an account and we can now start and click play. Awesome. So let's get started with the first. So we have basically 4 worlds that will teach us programming. The best is to start with the first world. I mean, it gives us the basics, and then we will continue with the next world, the next, and the last. Perfect. This one has 38 levels, so let's start. This is the first room. Okay. Here we can choose the character, male or female. We will choose Captain Anya. And here we have to set the language. As said in the previous lessons, we will learn JavaScript. So choose the JavaScript language. JavaScript, yes. Next. Yeehaw! Okay. So this is our character. It says that we have available shoes for the character and that we have to double click it to equip the character with the shoes. So let's double click here. We receive the shoes, the boots. Let's see what these boots can do. Boots allow our hero to move using up, right, down, and left commands. So practically our hero can, with these boots, move down, move left, move right, and move up. Okay, perfect. So let's try it out. Play. CodeCombat. Okay. So the goals of the first room are to avoid the spikes. These are the spikes here, so we have to avoid them. And we have to collect the gem, the diamond. So click on the link and start the level. And when you're done, come back to the video and check out how we solved the level.
Type a move down command on line 6.
Okay, we can do the first one together to make it easier. So this move right moves the character right. Okay. And now we can click run to see how this goes. Okay, so this first command, this move right, moves the character to the right. In order to get out of the room and to collect the gem, we have to move now the character down and again to the right. So these are the commands that we can use. And let's start with, so we moved it to the right already. Now the next step is to move it down. So we say this, move down. And let's run it, let's see what happens. So right and down, okay. And now we have to move it again to the right. So this, move right. Let's check it out. Perfect. We successfully finished the first room.
Travesty!
Bravo. Bravo us. Okay, let's continue.